Okay, today we are going to discuss about how to handle the alerts, pop-ups, confirmations, etc. And we also cover what is the concept of variables in Selenium IDE. Of course, we have that. See, for now I'm just visiting salesforce.com. After going to salesforce.com, I just want to open my Selenium IDE and it is getting recorded. Yes. After that, I will perform some operations, like I will click on the login buttons as usual we are doing with the previous classes also. In this, I want to type my tutorials online 1@gmail.com and our password latitude D630. And after getting logged in, see, now I want to save something into some variable. See, whatever the yesterday we have seen about some echo command, right? We used the echo for printing something into the log window. Similarly, I want to store some value into some variable and print the same value after some time. Okay, not immediately. See, yesterday, of course, we will see it again. Click and wait here. Type is the command. Value is this one. And this one, ID login. Right. So now we are on login page. See, I'm not adding any assertions or verifications now. Okay, you know how to assert your test case. Okay, see, in echo I am just writing hello there, successful, login successful. Okay, or just I want to print login successful. And if I stop this and if I run this, see what will happen. Just the echo command will print login successful at the end of your test case. But what I am saying now is I want to store some value. I want to store something whether that might be login successful also into some variable, and I want to use the variable again and again. That might be my requirement. Or yesterday we have seen that we are having with verify and assert commands, and we verified some value. Okay, we verified the title, we verified for some text, etc. For that, instead of verifying, I just want to store the value into some variable. Okay, and afterwards I can use the same for anything. Okay, using user extensions we can implement some loops or conditions. Okay, of course Selenium IDE did not support directly the looping and conditional statements. Using the user extensions we can support them. Okay, and we can use the variables for checking some condition, validating some conditions, or validating some condition while we are working with loops. Okay, or you may also want to store some value and use the same value to type into some text box. That might be your requirement. Okay, so in all these contexts we need some variables. Okay, so variables in Selenium IDE are used to store some value. Okay, so in our example now I want to just store something. Okay, see, I just want to store whatever the text existing in this particular HTML element. Okay, this might be a div or this might be something. Okay, a paragraph or some heading or something. Okay, so I want to store this into some variable. For that, just right click on the selected area, store text present. Okay, not store text present. See, we have, okay, I'll let you know the store text and store text present, the difference. See, I have selected the store text. Okay, see here, show all available commands and store text. Whenever you selected the store text, it is asking for entering a variable name. Okay, here you can provide your variable name. Okay, my var. Okay, if you see here, see this store text is a command which require two parameters. The first one is the locator from which we need to get the text. Okay, so that is the XPath, or that is the ID, or that is the name of the HTML element in which the text is residing. Okay, so the element in which the text is residing, and the variable name is the name of the variable in which you want to store the text present in the target. Okay, so this is the store text, and we also have the store text present is there. Okay, what is the difference between store text and store text present is store text will see here we have store text present. See, store text will store the text present in the target. Okay, in the locator. See, whatever the text is there in this HTML element, that will be stored in this variable. But with the store text present, this is also requires two parameters, the same parameters, but first one is the pattern, sorry, the first one is the pattern and second one is the variable name. See, if you want to check whether welcome to Salesforce is there in your login page or not. Okay, yesterday we have verified our test case. We have asserted our test case using something like whether this text is there or not on the home page. Okay, so you may want to store the value into some variable and you can compare afterwards. Okay, see, store text present. For this you need to provide some pattern like welcome and the variable name. Okay, that means in which variable you want to store, whether the return value by this command will be stored. Okay, here your variable 1, but what will be saved in myvar1 is if the text welcome is present on the page, then the true or 1 will be, sorry, the true will be saved into your variable. Okay, so it is a function or command which returns the boolean type. Okay, whether true or false. If the text you entered is present on the page, it will store true in myvar1. Okay, if the text you have given is not existing on the page, then false will be stored in your variable. Okay, so this is for storing the text in some element. This is storing whether some text is present or not in your page. Okay, this is the difference between these two. And what we have done till now is, see, we stored some text into some variable. The text is welcome to Salesforce. We will have you growing your business in a few short steps. Okay, now we will do one thing. We will type the same thing into this text box. Okay, into search box. How to do that? First get the ID or XPath of that search box. Okay, what is that? Yes, this is ID equals to ph search input. Okay, so insert your own command in your Selenium script. Here just type the target is id equals to, copied that one, and value. I'm not hard coding the value here. Okay, but what I'm doing is I'm using my variable name. But remember, whenever you are providing the variable, that means whenever you want to access the value in your variable, then the syntax for you doing so is you must use this syntax. You must start with dollar symbol and you must surround your variable name with curly braces. Okay, this is the syntax. Your variable name should be in dollar symbol followed by curly braces. Okay, so what this will do is it will type the value in my variable into some element which is having this id. Okay, let us check whether it will do the expected or not. See, I am setting a start point over here instead of logging again and again. Okay, see, now we don't have anything in our search box. So what is the expected? It need to store the text in this HTML element, that is the entire message, and it need to type the same message into the search input. If you run this, you can observe echo. Yes, echo is printed, store is stored the variable, and type also executed. See here, welcome to Salesforce, comma we. See, the all the text got typed into this text box, search box. Okay, so you may want to do the same thing for different cases. Okay, so now immediately after logging in the beginning of your test case, or you may want to store some value, and somewhere, sorry, in the beginning of your test case, that means immediately after getting logged in, you will get one message. Of course, that might be this one. Okay, the display name. You may want to store the display name. Okay, and you may want to type the display name somewhere. Okay, like you may want to edit the something, or you may want to create a new contact as it is with the display name. So in that, what I will do, first, immediately after getting logged in, I will store the display name into one variable, and I will go to contacts and I will create a new contact as we have done in previous classes. So now I want to type the first name as my display name. Okay, so instead of hard coding the display name, I will store the value in this HTML unit to some variable, and the value will be dynamically obtained from this one, and that can be used for your first name. We are not going to hard code, so whatever the display name, we are not bothered. The account, the Salesforce contact can be created with the current user's display name. Okay, that might be one context where we need the usage of variables. Okay, you know the variables from different programming languages. The same concept will be used here also. Okay, this is how we are going to use our variables, the concept of variables. And I'm just closing this. I didn't save that. And if I open Selenium IDE again, Now we will look into how to handle the JavaScript alerts, alerts, prompts, confirm boxes. Okay, for that I have written a page HTML code that okay, see, this is an HTML page which is having three buttons. If you click on the first button, you can observe a JavaScript alert will be appeared. Okay, see, this appeared, hello, I am an alert box. If you click OK, that will be disappeared, and there is a button 2. Clicking on that, it will provide you a confirm box. Okay, this one is having OK button and cancel button. The difference between alert and confirm box is alert will have a single option, that is for accepting, and in the confirm you can accept or you can reject the message. Okay, you can press on OK, you can click on cancel, whatever you want. And we have the this one, see, some prompt. Okay, see, for providing some variable, I will provide Selenium, and if I click OK, hello Selenium, how are you today, the message will be changed automatically. Okay, see, initially we don't have any message here. After clicking on this, after providing the value OK, one line will be appeared, and hello Selenium, how are you today will get printed over here. Okay, see, now we will see how to handle these boxes. But if you manually click on these buttons, you are able to see the alert boxes and confirm boxes. Okay, so but the case with Selenium IDE is these are not seen while executing through Selenium scripts. Okay, that means whenever an alert box will come up, you cannot see the alert box, but it doesn't mean there is no alert box. Okay, if you try to execute or if you try to continue with any of the commands without handling the alert, you cannot go forward. If there is an alert, there will be an error, like an unexpected alert is there, like that. Okay, see, we will see about that also. For now, I just open my Selenium IDE, and first of all, what I will do, okay, I will click on the alert box. Okay, hello, I am an alert box. I clicked on OK. If you see at this one, see what it does. Okay, it went to this file. Okay, this is on my machine, and it clicked on the first button. It is having ID equals to B1. Okay, after that you can observe assert alert is there. Assert alert means you cannot click on OK button, accept alert is not there. Okay, assertion, you should assert the alert, okay, to handle the alert boxes. Without asserting an alert, when there is an alert, you cannot continue with the remaining part of your script. Okay, here done with, or I want to just print hello. If I run this, you can observe the log window. See, assert alert, echo hello, and hello got printed. But if I cut this command, see, clicking on button will result in coming up with an alert. Whenever we clicked on this button, an alert will come. We are not handling the alert. We should use the assert alert for handling the alerts. So in this case we are not handling the alert and we are doing some operations on our script. See what will happen. See, unexpected, while executing this command, it wanted to execute that command, but there is a problem because there was an unexpected alert. Hello, I am alert the box. See, this is the message on the alert box. Okay, see, so there will be a problem when you did not handle the alerts properly. So you must handle the alerts before continuing with the remaining test case. So how to handle the alert is you should use the you should use the assert alert and you should provide the message to be a message which will be appeared on the alert. And you can also observe that we did not see any alert. See, here assert alert is there executing hello echo and it printed hello also, but you did not see any alert box. Okay, because Selenium's own JavaScript will hide that. Okay, it will be executed in Selenium's own JavaScript. Okay, that is why we are unable to see the alert box. This is the case with confirm box also. Okay, here instead of hello I am writing done with alert. Okay, this is how we will handle alert. Also we have different command. We can handle alerts using I will insert a new command here. We have some other commands to handle with alerts. Okay, assert alert, verify alert is there. Okay, also you have store alert is there. Store alert present is there. Store alert not present is not there. Okay, see, assert alert, verify alert, store alert present, etc. All these are the different commands that are useful while working with alerts. Okay, this is assertion, this is verification. You know what is the difference between assert and verify. Okay, no need of discussing all these. And these are similar to store text and store text present. Okay, see, this is the variable name. See, for storing text we should pass two parameters, that is the text from which locator you need to get the text and the variable in which you want to save the text on the locator, text from the locator. But in this case we need only one variable. Store alert will require only one variable, that is the variable name, because store alert is used for storing the text present on the alert box. No need of mentioning the locator, because the target is to store the text present appeared on the alert box itself. Okay, so we are not required to explicitly provide from where you need to get the text. Okay, it will get the text from alert box. Okay, and that will be stored in your variable name. And store alert present will accept a single variable name. It will return true if there is an alert. It will return false if no alerts are present on the current window. See, this is how we will work with alerts. We will move on to the confirm boxes. I just start everything again. See, I have this one. I refreshed my page. I will start recording this one, and here I will press OK button. Again I will click on that. I will press cancel button. If you see that See, open, click on assert. Here we will introduce a new command for printing something. Echo done with alert. See, after that, from this, see here, clicking on the button which is having id equals to b2. Okay, see here, it is also handled using assert. The difference between assert alert and confirmation is there assert alert and here assert confirmation, and you can use different other commands. Okay, here handling means just clicking OK, not clicking OK. Accepting, assert will automatically verify whether there is an alert is there. Okay, it will assert for the confirmation and it will automatically click the OK button also. Okay, and for choosing the cancel button, you have choose cancel on next confirmation. Okay, before that we will just include the verify confirmation. We will include all the commands that are related to verify confirmation present. Similarly, verify confirmation not present, and assert confirmation present and assert confirmation not present. I am not writing all these three commands because we can use this. And store confirmation and store confirmation present. Okay, we have store confirmation. Similarly, store confirmation present. After that, we have choose cancel on next confirmation. Choose OK on next confirmation. And the last one is choose OK on next confirmation and wait. See, all these are the different commands we are having for handling confirmation boxes. Okay, see, these are not complex, these are self-descriptory commands. See, verify confirmation, it will, okay, see, it will verify for the confirmation whether it is existing or not. But what is the argument it needs? See here, it needs single argument and the pattern, the text which to be appeared on the next confirmation, on the confirmation. Okay, whatever the text appearing on the confirmation to be passed here. Okay, that will verify whether a confirm box with the given text is present on the current window or not. Okay, see, for this also the concept will be the same. We should handle before continuing with, we should handle confirm box before continuing with the remaining test case, otherwise the test case will fail. Okay, see, this is verify confirmation with the given text is there or not, and here verify confirmation present, it doesn't require any parameters, just it will provide true or false depending on whether any of the confirmation is present on the current window or not. Similarly, it is verify confirmation not present, sorry, it will same thing, it will return true when the confirm box is present. It will return true when the confirmation is not present, because we are verifying, our intention is confirmation should not be there. Okay, so in that context we are using verify confirmation is not present. Okay, and store confirmation, we need to provide one variable, and the message from the confirmation box, that is message appeared on the confirmation, will be stored in this store confirmation present. This is the same with store alert present. It will store true if the confirmation is there. It will store for, it will return false into the variable name if the confirmation is not present, any of the confirmation, because we are not providing any pattern here. Okay, see this is, these are the mostly used commands when we are working with confirm boxes. What the button to be choose, because if we assert alert, it will click on OK by default. Okay, it will assert and it will click OK. Similarly, if we assert confirmation, it will click on OK button by default, but I want to click on the cancel button on the next confirmation. Be careful, you should provide before that. See here, if when we can observe, before clicking itself, it have inserted choose cancel on next confirmation. Okay, see, we need to provide choose cancel on next confirmation if we want to press on the cancel button. Okay, the word itself, the command itself says that we need to choose cancel on the next confirmation. So at present there is no confirmation on our window. There is a, in the next step we are going to get a confirmation, and we need to choose cancel on that confirmation box. Okay, like that we need to provide here, and click OK on next confirmation. You can choose the click OK for clicking on the OK, or you can simply write assert confirmation also, and here choose OK on next confirmation and wait. See here, if suppose the confirmation box may be, do you want to continue? See there you can have yes and no. Okay, OK and cancel. If you press on OK button, that is S button, it may load a new page. Okay, in that context you have to wait till the new page got loaded. Okay, so in that context you use the and wait command. Okay, and this is not different from other and wait commands. Okay, this is similar to all other and wait commands we are having with, and this is how we will handle the confirmation boxes in Selenium IDE. And I am removing all these. Here I will write one echo done with confirmation. Okay, after that prompt. Okay, prompt means it will ask you for some value. See here, I clicked on the prompt button, please enter your name, that is the text I have given. Okay, I will provide my name, Selenium. Okay, if you observe at your Selenium script, see here, prompt, click and asset prompt is there. Okay, sorry, I double clicked on that. Okay, this is assert prompt. First of all, we will look into the different commands the same commands will be there. Okay, verify prompt. See, verify prompt present, verify prompt not present, assert prompt present, and for assert you don't have those, I think. See, we have all three: assert prompt present, assert prompt not present. Okay, you know the difference between assert and verify, and what would be the expected result of using all these three commands. Okay, verify prompt will verifies for some pattern. Okay, assert prompt will assert for some prompt with the given pattern. Okay, given pattern means the pattern is the text which will be displayed on the prompt box. Okay, and the present and not present, the concept will be same with alert boxes. And I think we should have some other commands for handling prompts. See, store prompt and store prompt present. I think the message of the most recent, this will be the message appeared on the store prompt, but now I want to all these are asserts. Sorry. Assert captures these are deletes and fire events, focus, go back, highlight, ignore. Wait a minute please, I am searching for some command because I just want to know how to provide the value into some prompt, because there will not be any use, right? Store prompt present, store text. See, all these are the Selenium command, different Selenium commands. These are being updated. These are some new commands are being introduced with latest releases. Initially we don't have all these. Now the Selenium IDE is well advanced. We can take the screenshots using, but it directly did not support do not support branches, loops, everything, the programming concepts, but you can achieve that using user extensions. These are all verify commands. See, we also have other commands. Wait for alert present, wait for alert not present, like that. Okay, I'll look into that and I'll let you know later. Assert prompt. Okay, see, these are the same commands like verify prompt present, verify prompt not present, the usual commands. See, this is how we are handling the different JavaScript pop-ups like alerts, JavaScript confirms, and the prompt windows. And I'm closing this without saving. And if we see working with multiple windows, we have already discussed this in yesterday's class. You should remember the process. See, whenever there are more windows, and for example, if there are two windows and you are working on the first window, you need to execute the next commands on second window. First you need to get the focus to the second window by using the select window command. Okay, first you need to select the second window and you have to perform the operations, and after you think that, once you think that your work is done with your second window, you should return to your first window. Okay, by selecting the window, select window. Okay, if there are no more windows except the main window, you can use select window and the parameter as null. Okay, you can use null as the parameter for that, or else you can use the ID of the window, name of the window, title of the window, anything. Okay, this we discussed in the previous classes, and we also know how to debug the test cases using the setting the breakpoint and start points. Okay, till now we have used the concept of start points. Okay, we are executing from that. Okay, and if you set the breakpoint, you can step over through one by one command. Okay, the command by command we already discussed in the initial classes about these, and I think we also discussed how to capture the screens. See, for that you have the capture entire screenshot like that. Okay, capture entire page screenshot, capture entire page screenshot, and wait command. That's it. Okay, see, that will capture the screenshot of the page. Okay, it will take the screen of the page. It will require the parameter, that is the file name. This is optional parameter, that is if you want to format your captured screenshot, you can use that. Otherwise you just want to provide the path where you want to save the file. Okay, for example, I want to store my WebDriver tutorial and Selenium IDE. Here I have 1.jpg, right? So I just want to store my captured screenshot to here, like today's date is 0731. Okay, like this dot jpeg. See, if you execute this one, I double clicked on that. See, it executing this one, and you can observe a new image is here. If you open that image, you can see the screenshot of the current page. See here, this is the image and it captured the screenshot. When you need taking screenshot, mean whenever. Okay, there is no restriction. Whenever you want, you require to capture the screenshot and save, because using Selenium IDE you are not going to keep a single test in real time. Okay, you may use Selenium IDE for executing hundreds or thousands of test cases, so that you are not going to reside in front of your computer to see what is happening with your test cases. Okay, so some test cases might fail, some test cases might pass. Okay, so you may want to store, you may want to see the screen if the test case fails. Okay, see, if the test case fails, you may want to see why it fails, what is the current state of the window, what is the state of the window at the time the test case failed. Okay, but you will not have with that window unless you capture the screenshot whenever your test case got failed. Okay, see, this is how we will capture the screenshots. And what else we have? We have to discuss user extensions and we will see the format, all these in the next class. What is this, and how to work with options. Okay, we will see with different options. Mostly these are required for interviews. Okay, also for handling some critical concepts. Okay, some critical means not critical also, all these are very easy. Different options we are going to see in options menu item. What are these, what all these are useful, all these we will discuss in the next class. Okay, then thank you.